O human, you are not here only to make a living. You are here in order to enable the world to live more amply, with greater vision, with a finer spirit of hope and achievement. You are here to enrich the world, and you are here to lift yourself so that you can lift others. This is a story of an ordinary selfish barrister who was convinced that the Britishers should rule over India. Like every man, he wanted to earn in a foreign currency, went and settled in South Africa and was doing quite well. He was living for me, mine, myself. But when he was thrown out of the compartment on the platform in South Africa, he felt humiliated and dejected. He was calm and still, a normal man from outside. But some storms were going on inside his head. One thought came to his mind. If this is what I am feeling like an individual, what entire nation must be going through, ruled by the British. And the moment he identified a goal larger than himself, the transformation of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi to Mahatma Gandhi transformed the whole world. He proved that inside one human being there is power to transform the rest of the world, and one needs a moment to transform oneself. Mahatma Gandhi, undoubtedly a man of the millennium, was a personality of exceptional quality in all regards. He was a man of peace but never compromised to fight for truth and the right cause. He was a philosopher and thinker, but first of all, a man of action. He was an inventor of a unique way of protest, of struggle for freedom, rights, justice, and equality, of liberty and of empowerment. He believed that there was no need to declare one religion better than the other, and said that all religions are equal and correct. Isn't it amazing that Gandhi was a man of peace but never won the Nobel Peace Prize? He was nominated for a Nobel Peace Prize in 1937, 1938, 1939 and 1947, but never received the award. In 2006, the Nobel Committee publicly expressed regret that Gandhi had never been given the prize. If there was no Gandhi, India would have got independence, but it would cost the blood of many people. As there is a saying that good things take a long time. It took a bit longer to achieve independence as we chose the path of non-violence. Many have reasons to hate him. At the same time, many love him. People love to preach, but they fail when it comes to practice. But he first practiced his own ideals before preaching them. The Gandhian strategy is the combination of truth, sacrifice, non-violence, selfless service, and cooperation. The main cause of worry today is intolerance and hatred leading to violence, and it is here the values of Gandhi need to be adhered to with more passion. He is relevant not yesterday or today, but forever. The word Mahatma is made up of two Hindi words, Mahan and Atma, meaning a great soul. When asked about what message he would like to give to the world, Gandhi said, "My life is my message." In the words of Einstein, Gandhi is a role model for the generations to come. Thank you.
ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, जालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे। हो कद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान गे। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।